wish I had some more fidgets. I don't have anything. It all happened when I traded them all for that fake glitter dumpling, and then someone stole that. I guess I'll have to just do something like read. Oh, what's this? A free sign? None of these really seem to be fidgets besides these clicky things. And there's some bags. Ooh, like a lei. This is super cute. But none of them are fidget. Oh my god. Are those the super rare Kardashian navy blue matcha jellycat needle fuzzball nails / fidget? I think there are. Oh my god. And it's free. Free. Trading the rarest Kim Kardashian navy blue jellycat fidget / press-ons. Oh my god, I've been wanting those so bad. What do you want? I'll give you anything. I don't know. You just go ahead and add. I'll decide. Okay, I'll literally add whatever it takes. Those are so rare. These are really rare. So you have to add. You know what? I don't even care at this point. At this point, take everything. I can get way better for those. This girl is so dumb. I know they're rare, but not that rare. Except, I can't even see the accept button, but accept. Yes, now I'm not so broke anymore. Hehehe. Yes, I got these. Oh, by the way, ma'am, where did you get those? Oh, I just saw a free sign. Why? Where is that? Right here. Girl, you're so blind. What do you mean? It says free. Yeah, I know it says free. No, it clearly says not free. What do you mean? Wait a second. Girl, you can have your nails back. I don't want to get in trouble by whoever the owner of this are. Oh, does that mean I still get the fidgets, though? Definitely not. Well, I guess I have these nails now. I can try someone else to trick. Hopefully they won't ask about the sign. Hey. What are you holding? Thing in the world? Why? That is my rarest thing in the world. What are you talking about? Oh, are these yours? Yeah, and I'm gonna need them back. Okay, well, let me just go take a picture of them so I can at least say I've had them before. You're lucky I'm even letting you do this. Go ahead. Guys, I'm gonna scam her. I'm getting these back. What are you doing? Give me those back. She'll never catch me. Ooh, got you. Now give me my nails back. Okay, fine. Here you go. Now that teaches you not to steal. Hey, it said not free earlier. Don't change your sign so much, okay? Fine, I won't. But these are my nails. I'm glad I have them back.